morning, everybody. Today we are doing a sewing project to upgrade my bedroom cushion. So keep watching the video up to the end, and then you will see the end result. That will be beautiful. The first step of this project will be I will be cutting the words king and king that I will be using on the other cushion. So this project, I want it to be on the budget. I can even say for free, okay? I'm using a cover that I already have. I love the message on it. And I'm using cushion that coming from my sofa. They send me more than what I need, so I kept some for those type of projects. So I'm not buying anything. Here you can have an idea of what the final result will be. I really love the message on the cover, Queen and King, that I bought at Winners at certain time. But I don't like the cushion, the fabric that they use, because it's not very sturdy. It's kind of weird. When you put it on the bed, it don't stand nicely. So that's why I'm changing it to another cushion. Right now, I'm just cutting the message and saving them to use on the project. So yeah, let's get started with the scissor. When you're doing some sewing project, it's good to iron as often as you can as you go, because ironing gives you the most nice finish that you can have. If you're not ironing, when you will be sewing, you will see that the finish won't be as nice as you want. So that's why I'm ironing all the pieces that I'm using. Then after ironing, I will make sure that both rectangles that I'm creating are the same size so that the project will be nicely symmetrical. So that's why I'm putting one on each other to measure, to make sure everything is the same length, same thing. Okay, at this step here, I'm preparing the gray cushion to use it to put the message on it. So I'm removing the other sewing that they did so that I can put my message on the gray cushion. As you can see, I haven't opened everything, like the gray cushion still together, because I don't feel like I need to open everything to remove those pieces, so I will have to sew them again. So I just open it as far as I will be able to sew the message on it. Once the fabric is where you want it to be exactly, don't forget to pin it to make sure when you will be sewing that will be easier. Otherwise the fabric will be moving around and won't be good for you when you'll be sewing. Now let's get to the sewing. Okay, the sewing part, I open the machine and I put everything together and then I'm sewing. We are new on YouTube, less than a month, so I need you to subscribe to my channel to encourage me to make more videos. Also click on the notification bell to be aware when I will be posting new amazing video. So go now and subscribe to give me this strength to do more video. Now I'm done with the sewing, then I will be closing up everything together so I will have this nice cushion. Okay, my friends, so here is the end results. Those nice cushion, very sturdy. They stand nicely on the beds. So thanks for watching this video, and let me know in the comment if you want me to make more sewing projects, and yeah, we will go with that. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and as I said, I'm new on YouTube and I need you to continue this adventure, so don't forget to subscribe. We want to be with you. Bye.